Okay, I've dug my first target. There's something in the hole here. Oh, it's a piece off a sash buckle. It's a lightweight one though, that's a bit unusual. Just a pressed brass version of that. Nothing on it though. Oh, it would have had something attached. There's a little hole there. Would have had a little emblem on that front there. All right. Just got a little target in the hole here. Just started to uncover it. It's a relic, it's not a coin, but what is it? Oh, it's a clock key, is it? It's a beauty. Not exactly sure, but looks like a key. A winder. Definitely got a bit of age about it. Got another target here. Just in the wall here. Oh, there it is. It's a little button. Tiny little button. Just a plain one. Okay, I've just dug this, a little little bullet. It's got a couple of rings on it. Perhaps off a pistol. Yeah, it's only about 1.5 centimeters long. Quite small. Probably from a handgun. I don't know. I don't know enough about bullets, to tell you the truth. Alright, I was just by this rock wall and I flipped the plug and looks like a little half penny maybe. Yeah, pre-1861. I don't know, I don't think I'm going to be able to clean that up just offhand. Gee, I've been looking hard for not too many finds today, but just in this hole, just wanted to point out this sort of motley blue china. If you ever see that, it's a good sign. You know, that's a slightly earlier china than the willow china, the one that's sort of less controlled, and I call it motley blue. It's an older china, a bit of old ceramic, is it? Anyway. In the hole, I think I've got something interesting. Snake buckle. Oh, still attached to that little clasp. That's a ripper. Look at that. That is a beauty. Not often you find them attached to something ornate.